Hello, dear viewers. Today, I want to share with you a very important and interesting ritual that will help you remove the evil eye from your income. In our lives, envy can sometimes lead to negative consequences, and if you have experienced a decrease in income or loss of a job, it is possible that you have been affected by the evil eye. But don't worry, I have a simple and effective solution. In this video, I will tell you about a ritual that will help you remove the evil eye and restore your financial well-being. Let's embark on this amazing journey towards restoring your income. Before we begin the ritual, let's talk about how the evil eye arises and why it can negatively affect our income. Envy, as a strong feeling, often leads to negative energetic influences. Sometimes, we ourselves invite this envy by boasting about our achievements and material prosperity to those around us. However, as the saying goes, money loves silence. And it's true. When we demonstrate our income and purchases with excessive pride and arrogance, we attract envy and negative energies towards us. This can lead to the evil eye, which has a detrimental effect on our financial flow. If you find yourself in a situation where your income has dropped or you have lost your job and cannot find equivalent compensation, it is possible that the evil eye has been cast upon you. To begin, find a calm place where you can perform this ritual without interruptions. For this ritual, you will only need a chicken egg and a little patience. Prepare a glass of clean water, preferably spring water or water from a source. Then, take the chicken egg and break it into the glass of water. Place the glass with the egg and water on the headboard of your bed. The date of your birth is significant, so perform this ritual on your birthday or on a day that holds special meaning for you. For example, if you were born on the 7th day, conduct the ritual on the 7th day. Now it's time to utter special words that will empower the water and the egg. Repeat the following phrases. Just as life is conceived in an egg, just as everything is born anew in the world. Just as dawn brings renewal, so may I be renewed on this night. Let my soul be reborn, and when I awaken, may I be liberated from the past. May bread and salt be mine, may wealth be with me once again. So be it. In the morning, pour the contents of the glass into the drain, symbolically cleansing yourself from negativity and obstacles. Afterward, spend the entire day in strict fasting, abstaining from food and drinks. As you conclude this ritual, remember that its power depends on your belief and determination. You have performed a magical rite to remove the evil eye from your income and open the path to financial abundance. Now it is time to trust the process and embrace positive changes in your life. Remember that rituals and spells are not the sole means of achieving success. They complement your confidence, self-discipline, and hard work. Show persistence in your efforts, make wise financial decisions, and continue striving towards your goals. Stay grateful for what you have and learn to share your wealth with others. The energy of generosity and gratitude attracts more abundance into your life. I hope that this ritual will help you overcome the evil eye and restore your income. Remember that you possess inner strength and abilities to prosper. Believe in yourself, act with confidence and an open heart, and you will discover that financial opportunities will blossom before you. Thank you for joining us. I wish you success, prosperity, and financial abundance in your life.